Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Solution. This is episode 3 of our Excel Beginner to Advanced series. In the last episode, we learned how to enter and format data like a pro. Today it is time to unlock Excel's real power, formulas. And don't forget, the link to all the episode in this series in the description and pinned comment. So make sure to follow along with the entire journey. Part 1, Introduction to Formulas. Excel is not just about typing numbers. It is about to calculating and analyzing them. Formula allow us to perform calculations automatically. The rule is simple. Every formula starts with an equal sign. Without it, Excel will just treat it like plain text. Part 2, Sum functions. Let's say we have sales number in column B. To add them up, we use the sum functions. Click on an empty cell, type is equal to sum under bracket V2 colon V6. Press enter and boom. You get the total instantly. Instead of typing, you can just select the range with your mouse after writing is equal to sum. Part 3, Average functions. Next, let's find the average. The formula is equal to average under bracket V2 colon V6. This gives you the mean value of all those number. Super useful when you want to quickly analyze performance. Part 4, Count functions. Now, what if you simply want to know how many entries are there in your list? For that, we use is equal to count under bracket V2 colon V6. Remember, count only works with numbers. If you want to count text as well, you will use count A. What we will cover that in more details later. Part 5, Demo with real example. Let's put it all together. Imagine you're tracking sales for 20 employees. With sum you calculate total sales. With average, you find the average performance. With count, you know how many entries you have. See how quickly Excel transforms data into insight. That's why formulas are the heart of the Excel. So in this episode, we learn your very first formulas, sum, average and count. These may seem basic, but they are the building blocks for everything advanced in Excel. In episode 4, we will go deeper and learn about cell refreshing, relative, absolute and mixed reference. This concept is a game changer if you want to master Excel's formulas. Remember, this is episode 3 of a complete beginner to advanced series. The link to all episode is in the descriptions and pinned comment. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to Data Solution and turn on the bell icon. See you in episode 4.